Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, y'all? It's your girl KB. You know what I do and you know why I do it. I do have my optical support with me this morning. I just haven't put my glasses on yet. This popped into my head before I started reading my devotionals. I realized, now this is not a new realization. It just really hit home hard yesterday for me. I realized I am susceptible to the spirit of negativity. You know, at first I thought it was part of my job duties as a manager at one point in time to hear, people's, for lack of a better term, gripe. And it basically was gripes because it's like nobody said anything, nobody did anything to change what they were griping about. So, it's like you just want somebody to be a sounding board for your complaint. And when you work in an environment and a culture of complaint, it becomes problematic. And like I said, I've realized that I am a complaint magnet because people know I will respond. It's like, what are you doing to make it better is always my next question in the progression of conversation. And if they're not making it better, and I realize whatever it is that they're saying also impacts me, then I take action. Amen. So, I am susceptible to the spirit of complaint, and complaining is a spirit. Complaining is a lack of gratitude. Complaining is an issue with pride. You believe someone has something that you don't have. Again, if it is a valid complaint, then I will address it. If there's an unfair practice or there's some level of injustice involved, I will address it. But people see me as the complaint dump. And I'm cutting that off today. I'm calling that demon out. I'm calling that negative spirit out. And I'm giving it back to the owner. This is your problem. This is your issue. Deal with it. And for the folks who are creating the problems, I'm serving notice that you will leave with the same problem. I'm serving notice that I am no longer accepting your stuff. Amen.